forget to like, share and subscribe.
Hello students, today we are going to discuss extra problem based on linear equation in two variables. Question number 1. In triangle ABC, angle C is 3 times angle B and 2 times angle A plus angle B. Find the three angles. Let angle A equal to X, angle B is equal to Y, angle C is equal to Z. Therefore, angle C means Z equal to 3Y is equal to 2 times angle X plus Y. Now simplify. Since X plus Y plus Z equal to 180 degree, angle sum property. Now in place of X plus Y, we can write 180 minus Z. So therefore, X plus Y implies X plus Y equal to 180 degree minus Z. Now since Z equal to this, Z equal to 2 times X plus Y implies Z equal to 2 times, in place of X plus Y we can write 180 degree minus Z. Open the bracket, Z equal to 360 degree minus 2Z. Send minus 2Z that side. So we get 3Z equal to 360 degree. Dividing both sides by 3. So Z equal to 120 degree. अब since Z equal to 3Y, Z means 120 degree. So 120 degree equal to 3Y. Dividing both sides by 3. So Y is equal to 40 degree. Therefore, Y means angle B is equal to 40 degree. Z means angle C is equal to 120 degree. So by angle sum property, angle A is equal to 180 minus this. 180 minus 120 60. 60 minus 40 20. So angle A is 20 degree. Next problem. Solve the following pair of linear equations. Px plus qy equal to p minus q, qx minus pi equal to p plus q. Give equation and 2. To solve these two equations, we can use substitution method, elimination method, or cross multiplication method. Which you like, or which is easier? First steps. Here px, here qx, qy, py. So cross multiply. Equation 1 with p and 2 with q. Multiply equation 1 by q. P. We get p into p square x plus pqy is equal to p square minus pq. Give equation number 3. Now multiply equation 2 with q. Q into q is square x minus pqy is equal to pq plus q square. Give equation number 4. Now adding equation 3 and 4. Add pqy cancel. P square x plus q square x is equal to p square minus pq plus pq plus q square. pq और pq cancel. What is common? X. So we get p square plus q square into x is equal to p square plus q square. p square q square cancel. So we get x equal to 1. Now putting x equal to 1 in equation 1. So p into 1 p plus qy is equal to p minus q. p और p cancel. Next step qy equal to minus q. q और q cancel. So we get y equal to minus 1. Next problem. Solve the following pair of linear equations, this and this. Give equation 1 and 2. First simplify equation 2. We can write a plus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to a square plus b square. Give equation number 3. Coefficient of y in both the equation are same. When we subtract, this term will be cancelled or we easily get value of x. So now subtract equation 3 from 1. 1 minus 3. First write a minus b into x plus a plus b into y equal to a square minus 2ab minus b square. Equation 3. a plus b into x plus a plus b into y is equal to a square plus b square. अब now subtract. Minus minus, this is minus and this is also minus. अब now subtract this minus this. A minus b into x minus a plus b into x. This minus this. Cancel. Equal to a square minus a square also cancel. So we get minus 2ab or minus b square or minus b square minus 2b square. X common. So in bracket we get a minus b, open the bracket, minus a minus b. A और a cancel is equal to, what is common? Minus 2b common. So we get a plus b. Left hand side minus 2b into x is equal to minus 2b into a plus b. Minus 2b and minus 2b cancel. So we get x equal to a plus b. Now substitute value of x in equation number 3. a plus b into a plus b plus a plus b into y is equal to a square plus b square. A plus b into a plus b means a plus b whole square. So tell me whole square of this. A square plus b square plus 2ab plus a plus by is equal to a square plus b square. A square and b square cancel. Next step, a plus by equal to a plus b into y is equal to, send 2ab from LHS to RHS, we get minus 2ab. So value of y is minus 2ab upon a plus b. Next problem. Solve the following pair of linear equations. Coefficient of x and y are very large, and just see. Coefficient of x in this equation, here coefficient of y in that equation. Just see cross. In such type of equations, add equation 1 and 2 and subtract equation 2 from 1 and get new two equations. So adding 1 and 2. Adding equations 1 and 2. So write both equations together. 120x minus 378y equal to minus 74 minus 378x plus 152y is equal to minus 604. Now 8 minus 2 6, 7 minus 5 2 and 2. So minus 226 and minus 226y is equal to 4 8 7 and 6. So minus 678. Next step, here minus 226x, 226x minus this. Taking common minus 226. So we get x plus y equal to minus 678. So x plus y is equal to, divide this quantity by minus 226. 226 3 is 678. 200 3 is 600. 26 3 is 78. So x plus y equal to 3. So we get new equation. Equation number 3. Now subtract equation 2 from 1. 1 minus 2. Again write 152x minus 378y equal to minus 74 minus 378x plus 152y is equal to minus 604. When we subtract, sign will be changed. Plus, minus, plus. 802, 10, 5 plus and 12, 13, 530x. Minus 802, 10, carry 1, 7, 12 or 1, 13 or 5. 530y is equal to plus 530. This minus this 530. 530 common. So we get x minus y is equal to 530. 530 1 is 530. So new equation we get x minus 1 equal to 1. Equation number 4. These two are very simple equations. Adding 3 and 4. X plus y equal to 3 and x minus y equal to 1. Y or y cancel. 2x equal to 4. Dividing both sides by 2. So value of x is 2. Now putting value of x in equation number 3. So 2 plus y equal to 3 implies value of y is 1. Next problem. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Find the angle of the cyclic quadrilateral. Means we have to find angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D. अब since ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, or in cyclic quadrilateral sum of opposite angle is 180 degree. Since ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral, therefore angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. During any mathematical calculation we don't write degree, paisa, rupees or anything. So only write 180. Angle A 4y plus 20. Angle C minus 4x equal to 180. अब rearrange the equation. First write minus 4x, then write plus 4y is equal to 180 minus 20, 160. Dividing throughout by 4. So minus x plus y, 4 4 is 60, 40. Give equation number 1. And angle B plus angle D. Angle B plus angle D also equal to 180 degree. angle B 3y minus 5, angle D minus 7x. So write minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 180. 5 और 5 cancel. Rearrange minus 7x plus 3y is equal to 180. Give equation number 2. अब now simplify equation 1 and 2. Multiply equation 1 by 3. 1 into 3. We get minus 3x plus 3y equal to 120. अब now subtract equation 3 from 2. Plus sign, minus sign और minus sign. Minus 7x और plus 3x. So minus 4x plus 3y minus 3y cancel. 180 minus 120, 60. Implies x equal to 60 upon minus 4. So minus 15. Now putting x equal to minus 15 in equation number 1. Minus into minus 15. So plus 15 plus y is equal to 40. So value of y is 25. Now find all the four angles. Angle A is equal to 4y plus 20. 4y plus 20 is equal to value of y is 25. So 4 into 25, 100 plus 20, 120. Angle B is equal to 3y minus 5. 3 into 25, 75 minus 5, 70. Angle C is equal to minus 4x. Minus 4 into minus 15. So plus 60. And at last angle D is equal to minus 7x plus 5. 7 into minus 15. So 105 plus 5, 120. 110, sorry. 105 plus 5, 110. Now cross check your answers. Angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. Sum of opposite angle is 180 degree. And 70 plus 110, 180 degree. Thank you. Have a nice day.